Imagine building a working app without learning JavaScript, without writing complex code, without hearing developers. This is exactly what a new trend called vibe coding is making possible. Instead of writing code manually, you simply describe what you want. An AI builds the software. In this video, you'll learn what vibe coding actually means, why startups are rushing to use it, tools beginners can start using today, real examples of apps built with AI, and the risks nobody talks about. If you're interested in building apps, launching startups, or using AI to create real software, this video is for you. The term vibe coding describes building software simply by describing what you want to an AI system. Instead of manually writing code line by line, you guide the AI with prompts. For example, you might say, "Build me a task management web app with login, project boards, and task reminders." And the AI generates the front-end design, the back-end logic, the database structure, and sometimes even the hosting setup. This idea became popular after AI coding tools started generating entire working applications from simple instructions. Some early experiments even showed that non-programmers could build functional apps this way. That means the barrier to building software is dropping dramatically. There are three main reasons this trend is exploding in 2026. First, speed. Developers used to spend weeks building basic prototypes. Now AI tools can generate a working version in minutes. Second, accessibility. People who never studied programming can now experiment with building apps. Entrepreneurs, creators, and even students can test ideas quickly. Third, startup economics. Some AI app builder tools are helping founders launch products extremely fast. In fact, reports show some AI startups are generating millions in revenue just months after launching tools that create apps from prompts. This is why many investors believe AI-assisted development will reshape how software is built. Several platforms are leading this shift. One category is AI code copilots. These tools help developers write code faster by suggesting entire functions and fixing bugs automatically. Examples include tools that integrate directly into coding environments and generate large sections of code instantly. The second category is AI app generators. These tools go further. Instead of helping you code, they build the entire application for you. Some platforms allow users to create production-ready apps by simply chatting with the AI interface. One example is an AI app builder that gained hundreds of thousands of users shortly after launch and was acquired for tens of millions of dollars within months. That shows how serious the industry is taking this shift. Using these tools, people are already building productivity apps, SaaS dashboards, AI chatbots, personal finance tools, internal company tools, content automation systems. Some creators are even launching micro-SaaS startups powered almost entirely by AI-generated code. This doesn't mean developers are becoming obsolete. Instead, developers are becoming AI supervisors, guiding systems that generate most of the code. However, vibe coding is not perfect. AI-generated code can sometimes contain hidden bugs, security vulnerabilities, poor scalability. Some researchers also point out that many users rely too heavily on AI without fully understanding the code it produces. That can make debugging difficult later. So while AI is incredibly powerful, human oversight is still essential. Despite the challenges, one thing is clear. The way software is created is changing. In the future, building apps may look less like programming and more like describing ideas to intelligent systems. People who understand how to guide AI effectively will have a huge advantage. Because the next generation of apps may not be built with keyboards, but with conversations. Thank you for watching.